Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can make an Instagram grid post in Canva. It's quite simple. Just follow me till the end and you guys will get the idea of how to make this. Once you're here on the home page of Canva, make sure you have a file created or a canvas created of this format. What is that format? It's the 30-40 by 1080 pixel format. Make sure you have this custom made, and after that click on settings and make sure that this option, the rulers and guides option, is turned on. That is it. After this you can create your design. Once you've made the design, you can scroll down, click on apps, search for the image splitter. Once you search for that, this is the app that we're going to use. Click on the app, click on export design. Once this is done, it will export this design over here, and then you can select the type of splitting that you want to be done. By default, it will be a 3x3 split, which is the one that I'm going to do as well. Just click on split image and that is it. You now have all the images with you. Just click on add images to new pages. Once all of this is done, you can download all of the pages at once. I'll quickly show you once the splitting process is complete. There you go, the splitting is now complete. You can delete this image, which is the first one. And these are all the pages that you will have to download. Click on share, click on download. Make sure that this option, the select all option, is done, and then you can go ahead and click on download, and that is it. You now have the split image. You can upload it on Instagram quite easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can make Instagram grid post in Canva. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.